Hello everyone, in this video I want to tell you about how to make a floor plan, and we'll start with units, with proper units and walls, and we'll have doors and windows. So we will use block doors and windows, and we learn about adding text and hatches. Finally, we have dimensions to all the drawings, so let's get started. We will start with the unit. So unit will type simply type UN UN in the command line, press enter, and drawing units window will pop up here, and we need to select architecture and precision is 1:4, and insertion scale we select inches, and these will change. Click on OK. Now I will start a rectangle. Go to rectangle tools, click on here, and click on my drawing. At the length of 60 feet and the height of 40 feet. For that, I will type in app 60 feet, 40 feet, press enter. Okay. For this feet sign on your keyboard, and here's at the key, we should be selected, and the inches units to be selected the same. Finally, press both and shift key. Now let's go to the line tools. The line first one is here. Now click on this point, drag to the directions. The distance is 15 feet, press enter, and go to these directions. The distance is 13 feet, press enter. Move down this direction, click on this point, press enter. Press enter again, repeat a line, click on this point, this direction. The distance is 15 feet, press enter, and again this direction 13 feet, press enter, and now join it this point, press enter, and again select line tools, click on this point, what direction. The distance is 13 feet, press enter. Toward this direction, click on this point, press enter, and again press enter. Repeat a line for click on this point towards these directions. The distance is 17 feet, press enter, and toward this direction, click on this point, press enter. Okay. Now I want to select offset to click here, and offset distance is 6 inches, press enter. Select object at this line, move it our directions. Here is also, and here move it to right, here move it to right, here move it left, and again this lines, select this directions. Here is also, and again press enter. I want to offset, for press enter again. Offset distance is 6 inches, press enter. Now I want to select these rectangles to outside directions. Okay. Now we need to trim, select trim here and press enter. This area should be cleaned carefully, and again here is also should be cleaned this area, and again here is also the last one is here. Okay. Alright, the drawing now complete.